Okay, so I would like to say thank you nga pala dun sa mga nag-views ng aking video tungkol sa Sunog sa Tambunting. And right now, naka 1,000 something or more than 1,000. And also I would like to inform that I'm also a volunteer firefighter from Texas Fire Philippines and also from United. And right now, meron po tayong sunog. Yan po ay sa may San Roque Navotas. And let's listen to my scan radio because probably we're just me and my fire brigade. Baka tumakbo kami I'm not sure if you can hear it clearly. Medyo yan. Medyo scratchy siya. Yan. I hope you can hear it eh. Okay. So anyways, we're just gonna wait for yun. So yun. So probably we're just gonna wait for some to run so we can actually just go with it. As you can hear, kailangan ng assistant. Right now, I'm not sure if I'm just gonna join or if I'm gonna respond. However, this video, would like to tell you na yun lang, kung ano yung kaya bakit ako nakapag-post ng mga ganon na video. And this also to say thank you sa lahat ng nag-view and then sa mga nag-like. And if you want more, you just update any updates na gusto nyo makita, just subscribe na lang. And probably I'm just gonna do some tweet readouts, okay, sa mga tweet na yan, sa mga ayan, may mga followers din naman ako kahit pa paano, kaya sa followers dito sa Twitter. So yun, so sige, yun muna. So I guess I need to run na because track lang namin is nandiyan lang naman sa kanto namin. Okay, so once again, let me just update you dito sa YouTube.